This is a simple morning tea that will make you decrease your weight by burning unnecessary fat. At the same time, it will make your immune system stronger and stronger. Just slice half of a lemon into thin slices. Lemon is a rich source of vitamin C and antioxidants, which both have immunity-boosting properties. Put it in a cup and add a teaspoon of ginger powder of a crushed raw ginger. Alternatively, you can boil a raw ginger into the tea water. Now add a hot water and mix the two ingredients. Ginger also has immunity-boosting properties and can guard against some bacteria. Ginger is believed to reduce the risk of some cancers. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of honey, and mix well. Your morning tea is now ready. Take it every morning in an empty stomach. If you're overweight, you will experience a weight drop in few days. Lemon is a source of vitamin C, which is an important vitamin for supporting the immune system and helping to protect cells from free radical damage. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.